and welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and I Forgot with Nancy. So, I am going to show y'all what I do with the leftover hominy soup. But first, we're going to get some hamburgers started. Over here in the pan. I have it on the heat. I have it heated up. Alright, sizzle. Alright. We're going to get light on so we can see. It's kind of like hopping and popping over there. Alright. So we're going to add a little bit of salt. I think with these things, with the grooves, man, things get stuck in there all the time. Stick, stuck. However you use it. Alright. So there's our salt. And I think that's all I'm going to use right now. Actually, I could have put it on this big light. The burners have been fixed. Alrighty. This is going pretty good. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a flat spatula. And we're gonna get this started. Alright. Whoops. Trying to get what's in the train right there out so that can cook. There we go. A few more minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm not even going to put the liquid in there. We're just going to mix it all together. But I want to make sure the turkey burger is ready to go. And all that sizzling, and now it's kind of relaxed and it's cooking and everything. Alright, that looks like it's all done. So, like I said, I am just going to spoon this out. And add it to the turkey. Alright. And we'll let that all heat back up, and then we're going to top it with cheese. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, it's nice and hot, so we're going to add the cheese. cheese. And what I'm going to do is, as this cheese melts, get it in there. We can leave it like this. You can add French fried onions if you had some. I've got some crackers, a little bit of crackers left over. So what I'm going to do, we're going to make a topping. Let the crackers and let that all just up. I'm going to make a pie crust, so be watching for that video. I have some ideas for that. This is one easy way. If you don't have pie crust, you can use crackers to make a crust. Alright. We're just going to wait and let all of that just come together as I put things on. Also, if you want to, you can add kinds of different sauces to this. If you make your own, like honey mustard, your own dressing. So I got some of this honey mustard left. I'm gonna make some more. And we're just gonna drizzle right on top. There we go. Alrighty. Just a few more minutes. Oh, it looks so good. I am so ready to dig into this. I don't know about y'all, but I'm hungry. So, another quick way to get the cheese to melt, just stick it in the oven under boil for like a minute, and then we'll melt it really good. So, we're going to take a bite. Yes, I'm not waiting. Alright. We can leave the rest of it let it sit. Let this doing its thing. And we're going to take a taste test. Oh, there goes my cane. For some reason, it doesn't like standing up. So here we go. Leftovers. I'm going to get a good bite of everything. We got the cheese. We got some of the spinach. We got the turkey burger, the carrots. The hominies in there. You know, the crackers and the honey mustard. Ooh, that's so good. Oh my goodness. The things we can do with leftovers. I'm going to take that second bite. Definitely 2 thumbs up. So there you go. 2 meals from 1 meal. Thank y'all for stopping by. Y'all have a wonderful day. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy.